This is Canon's 24mm RF lens. It comes with a special control ring that lets you change settings quickly without going into menus. Here's a control ring. It works just like an extra dial on the lens. Now let's set it up for Canon R6 camera. Please keep in mind the menu setup may look slightly different on the other Canon cameras. Press the menu button. At the top, you will see all the main menu tabs. Go to the Custom Functions tab. Select Customize Dials. Pick the function you want it to control. The screen also shows where the control ring is on the lens. Options include ISO, shutter speed, aperture, exposure compensation, white balance, autofocus, and more. For this demo, let's set it to ISO since the R6 already has dials for aperture and shutter speed. Let's try it out. Switch the camera to manual mode, and this is optional. Right now, the ISO is set to 200. Turn the control ring, the ISO value changes. Just rotate the ring and the camera updates the settings for you. Each RF lens with a control ring can be customized separately, so changing lenses won't affect your setup. This control ring is a very handy feature to have and definitely worth using.